Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a quick demonstration that describes how would the student manage the assignments sent to them by the teachers and how to upload the recorded assignment. As we know, teachers send the assignments, so once the student logs into their system, they can check for received assignments sent by the teachers. Then they work on their own time to memorize and to improve the recitation, tilawa, tajweed, and tartil of those verses of the assignment. Once the student feels that they have mastered the assignment, they have memorized it well, then they can send this recording to the teacher for correction. This is what we're going to demonstrate in the next few minutes. Open. Go to the curriculum, assignment, and there the student will see those assignment that has been picked up for him or created for him by his or her teacher. First assignment has this name. It's in Al-Ahzab, Ayah 1 to 4, was given on that date, and the deadline given for the student to submit it is this line. Double click on it to open the assignment, and that will automatically take us to a different page of the Quran, which the assignment is, and this is the assignment. Now the student starts to work on memorizing the assignment using the memorization tool, the record and compare tools, and until he or she feels that they have mastered it well. And once they have reached that stage, they'll go to record and upload and start recording the assignment. The student logs in by entering the username and password. So once the student has played it well,
يا أيها النبي اتق الله ولا تطع الكافرين والمنافقين.
and happy with the recording, then we can upload the assignment by pressing save and upload button here. And we realize that you'll get a message telling you that the assignment is being uploaded. And once that assignment has been uploaded, go back to the assignment here, and you'll see that the color has changed. It has changed from the pink to an orange color, which is recorded and not uploaded. Let's sync now. And once the assignment actually has been synced to the server, these buttons becomes inactive. You cannot upload again. Whatever I press here, it will not work. And if we go to the curriculum and look at the assignments, you'll find that the assignment color has changed to green, indicating that it has been submitted. Now the assignment is ready for the teacher for correction. If we log in as a teacher, and the teacher would now realize that his student has that young student has uploaded his assignment. The last assignment being submitted is this one. Let's go for this one, for example, and that will take us to the Quran page and show us the assignment on that page. That brings us to the assignment of Surah Al-Ahzab, shows us the first assignment, and now that shows us all the students. We have 4 students that has been given this assignment. Only one of them, student Abdul Jabbar, has submitted. If you look on the list of the submitted, you'll find him. Those who didn't submit are the other 3. All of them are 4. One has submitted the homework, the rest did not submit it yet. So if we go to Abdul Jabbar, who had the submitted assignment, and we click on him, and that will show us the assignment, and we can listen to that voice of recording of that particular student.
يا أيها النبي اتق الله ولا تطع الكافرين والمنافقين إن الله كان عليما حكيما واتبع ما يوحى إليك.
Okay, there is a missing med here, so okay, that's one mistake. And actually we'll record the comment for that student. We'll say there is a med. The proper way to pronounce that is ما يوحى إليك. We'll continue listening to that.
ربك إن الله كان بما تعملون خبيرا.
That's another mistake. خبيرة. You've pronounced that as خبيرة. What the right way of pronouncing it is خبيرة. That's the second one. Continue listening.
وتوكل على الله وكفى بالله وكيلا. ما جعل الله لرجل من قلبين فيه.
This should be the meme, the nun should be stressed more. The proper way to pronounce this is لرجل من. Let's continue.
شوفي وما جعل أزواجكم اللائي تظاهرون من.
You pronounce it أزواجكم. The الجيم مفتوحة. أزواجكم is the right way.
أمهاتكم وما جعل أدعياءكم أبناءكم ذلك.
Okay. المد should be longer. أدعياءكم أبناءكم. So I can write comments actually for each one of them as well. So we can say المد أزواجكم. The comment here would be تشكيل has been not been proper, and here would be تفخيم الخاء. And you can write it in English as well. It's med should be longer. And that's it. Once we have done that, you can simply upload the comments, and that will go back to the student with the comments that has been corrected. So the mistakes now are marked and they are corrected. Now, after that, the teacher sends the assignment feedback to the student. The student will receive the corrections. He or she would listen to the teacher's recorded audio corrections and read the text comments. Now we're going to log in as a student again to see how the student would appreciate and receives the corrections that has been sent to him by the teacher. As the student log in, the assignment would be shown with the corrections. If we go back to the assignment here, we realize that there is the original Hifz assignment, and there is the correction with the date sent and the new deadline set by the teacher. If we go and go to the bottom, and we can see the teacher has provided the feedback on that date. If we click the correction mode, and we can see then the areas of the mistakes, we can listen to the teacher comment. There is a med. The proper way to pronounce that is ما يوحى إلي. We can listen to another mistake. You've pronounced that as خبيرة. What the right way of pronouncing it is خبيرة. Another mistake. You pronounce it أزواجكم. The الجيم مفتوحة. أزواجكم is the right way. المد should be longer. أدعياءكم أبناءكم. And we can also read the comment talking about al-mad here, or here it was at-tashkil. The problem was with the tashkil. So basically now the student has received the teacher comments. The student can now record again the corrected way and send it for the teacher to check for the second time. The student records again and then upload what he has recorded.
يا أيها النبي اتق الله ولا تطع الكافرين والمنافقين.
After that, the student has made sure that the mistakes that has been corrected are taken care of. The student now needs to upload and send the corrected assignment to the teacher. Now if we go to the curriculum assignment, we'll find that this assignment has been sent for the first time, and it underneath it has a correction one sent for the second time. If we log in again as a teacher to see how did the student correct his previous mistakes on his assignment, log into. Now we will look into the student who submitted, and it was Abdul Jabbar, and now we can see the assignment history. The first time he has sent it, it was this.
يا أيها النبي اتق.
And now this is the new assignment. So if I want to see previously what was the previous mistakes, and I can now play the new correction and
يا أيها
listen
النبي اتق الله
if
ولا
the
تطع
student
الكافرين.
has repeated the same mistakes or he has bypassed those.
ما جعل الله لرجل من الكافرين والمنافقين وما جعل الله كان عليما حكيما. واتبع ما يوحى إليك من ربك إن الله كان بما تعملون خبيرا. وتوكل على الله وكفى بالله وكيلا.
Well, he did the med properly.
ذلكم قولكم بأفواهكم والله يقول الحق وهو يهدي السبيل.
Well, actually the student did very well. He corrected all the mistake, but he made another one. Let's upload that for him with the new comments. We're going to log in for the third time as a student and to see how he would receive the second correction of the teacher, and how can he differentiate between his first recording and second recording. In the assignment history, I will see the first correction
يا أيها النبي
related to the
اتق
first
الله ولا
time
تطع
it was
الكافرين
recorded.
والمنافقين.
And as the student recorded for the second time the first correction, it
يا أيها النبي اتق الله.
we'll see the mistakes. You can see the same thing on the teacher's comment, the first mistakes in the first reading and the third mistake, and a combination of both. Now the student can go again and record for the third time, trying to avoid both first time mistakes and second time mistakes. This back and forth teacher-student correction and re-recording, correction, re-recording continues till the student final assignment submission is perfected and the teacher accepts it and give him or her the mark for that particular assignment.